All right, if you have a Chevrolet Malibu and you want to know where the emergency lights are located, and I'm talking about Chevy Malibu 2012 all the way down to 2009 and I believe 8. So the emergency lights are down here. So the only thing you have to do is push it, and then you'll of course see the blinkers, and to turn it off, of course, you just hit the little red triangle here. All right, and I'll link here at the end of this video where it'll show you how to change out the power steering fluid and how to operate the headlights and a few other things. All right, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.